Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the default tabs setting in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show change the default setting tabs in Publisher. Now select from any cursor mouse. Now going to the paragraph setting option. Now we show the interface. Now click for a tab option. Now default tabs stop option. Now select from a 0 point on. Now click for a left option. Now click for OK. Then press from tab. That it's. Then again going to the paragraph setting option. Now click for a tab option. Now select from a default tabs. Now click for OK. Now press from tab. That it's. Now you can say change the default setting tabs in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.